Imagine you're driving down a quiet motorway at night, when suddenly your car breaks down. You pull over, hazard lights flashing, and reach into your boot for a warning triangle. It's not there. Within minutes, a police patrol car pulls up behind you, and instead of helping you get back on the road quickly, you're handed a fine. Sound unfair? It happens every single day across the UK, and most drivers have no idea they're breaking the law, simply because their car is missing a few basic items. Today, we're going to walk through every single essential item you need to legally and safely keep in your car, why it matters, and exactly how much it could cost you if you don't. Stick around until the end, because the last item on this list is the one almost every driver forgets, and it's also the one that leads to the biggest fines. Let's start with something so many drivers overlook completely, and that's the warning triangle. If your vehicle breaks down on a motorway or a busy road, UK law expects you to place a warning triangle at least 45 meters behind your car to alert oncoming traffic. Without one, you're not just risking your own safety, you're risking the safety of everyone driving behind you. If a collision happens because other drivers weren't warned in time, insurance companies can use this against you when processing a claim, potentially reducing your payout or denying it altogether. Beyond the financial risk, police can also flag your vehicle as being unsafe for road use if it lacks basic safety equipment, especially commercial vehicles, where a warning triangle is often a legal requirement rather than just a recommendation. Next up is your first aid kit, something that feels almost obvious but is missing from an alarming number of vehicles. While it isn't a strict legal requirement for private cars, it becomes essential the moment you're involved in any kind of accident. Emergency services can take time to arrive, especially in rural areas or during peak traffic hours, and having basic supplies like plasters, antiseptic wipes, bandages, and gloves can make a real difference in those critical first minutes. If you drive for work, especially in industries like delivery, private hire, or haulage, having a first aid kit is often a legal or contractual obligation, and failing to carry one could result in your vehicle being deemed non-compliant during an inspection, which can lead to fines or even suspension of your operating license. Now let's talk about something that catches out even experienced drivers, and that's the reflective high-vis vest. If you break down on a motorway or a dual carriageway, stepping out of your vehicle without a high-vis vest is incredibly dangerous, especially at night or in poor weather conditions. Motorists have been struck and killed simply because they weren't visible enough to oncoming traffic. While there's no direct fine specifically for not having one, if an incident occurs and it's shown that you failed to take reasonable safety precautions, it can affect liability and accident claims, and potentially expose you to negligence claims from other parties involved. Keeping a high-vis vest in your glove box is one of the cheapest, simplest things you can do, yet it's one of the most commonly missing items in UK vehicles. Let's move on to spare bulbs, something that sounds minor but carries a very real financial risk. Driving with a faulty headlight, brake light, or indicator is illegal in the UK, and if you're pulled over with one, you could be hit with a fine of up to £100 along with 3 penalty points on your licence. Police often use routine bulb checks as a starting point for broader vehicle inspections, meaning one small oversight could snowball into a much bigger issue if other problems are found during that stop. Keeping a set of spare bulbs suited to your specific vehicle model means you can fix the issue on the spot rather than driving around with a defect that puts you at risk every single day until it's repaired. Now, here's one that surprises a lot of drivers, and that's the legal requirement around tyre tread depth. In the UK, your tyres must have a minimum tread depth of 1.6 millimeters across the central 3/4 of the tyre, all the way around. If you're caught driving on tyres below this threshold, you're looking at a fine of up to £2,500 and 3 penalty points per tyre. That means if all 4 tyres are illegal, you could theoretically be fined up to £10,000 and receive 12 penalty points, which would result in an automatic driving ban. Keeping a simple tyre tread depth gauge in your car, which costs just a few pounds, lets you regularly check your tyres yourself, rather than waiting for an MOT to catch the problem, potentially saving you thousands. Speaking of MOT-related issues, let's talk about your vehicle documents. Many drivers assume that as long as their car has a valid MOT and insurance, they're covered, but not having proof readily available when requested by police can create unnecessary complications. While you're allowed a grace period to produce documents at a police station if you don't have them on you, not having your insurance details easily accessible, especially digitally through an app or printed copy, can slow down roadside interactions and, in some cases, lead to your vehicle being seized if officers cannot verify your insurance status on the spot using the Motor Insurance Database. Keeping a note of your policy number and insurer details in your glove box or saved on your phone is a small step that avoids a lot of unnecessary stress. Now let's discuss something that's becoming increasingly relevant, and that's a phone charger, or a way to keep your mobile device powered. This might not sound like a legal requirement, but here's why it matters. If you're involved in an accident or your car breaks down, having a charged phone is essential for contacting emergency services, your insurance provider, or a breakdown recovery service. Beyond emergencies, if you're ever stopped by police and need to show digital documents like your insurance certificate or driving license through the DVLA app, a dead phone means you can't provide that information, which can lead to further complications during the stop. A simple car charger or a portable power bank kept in your glove box solves this problem entirely. Let's talk about screen wash and windscreen visibility, because this is one of those issues that seems trivial until it isn't. Driving with a windscreen that's dirty, cracked, or obstructed in your line of sight is illegal in the UK. If your wipers smear a dirty windscreen because you've run out of screen wash, you're not just annoyed, you're driving with reduced visibility, which police can flag as driving without due care and attention. This carries fines starting from £100 and can go up to £5,000 in serious cases, along with penalty points. Keeping a spare bottle of screen wash in your boot means you're never caught out on a long journey when your windscreen suddenly needs a clean in the middle of nowhere. Now, here's an item that often gets overlooked simply because drivers assume it's optional, and that's a fire extinguisher. While not a legal requirement for standard private vehicles, it becomes critical for anyone driving for hire or reward, including taxi drivers and private hire vehicle operators, where local licensing authorities often mandate a fire extinguisher as part of vehicle compliance checks. Failing to carry one in these circumstances can result in your vehicle failing its licensing inspection, which means you simply cannot legally operate until the issue is resolved, costing you both time and income. Let's talk about something practical but often ignored, which is keeping enough fuel or charge to complete your journey safely. Running out of fuel on a motorway is not just inconvenient, it's illegal. Stopping on a live lane of a motorway due to running out of fuel can result in a fine of up to £100 and 3 penalty points because it's considered a preventable hazard that puts other road users at risk. In more serious cases, particularly if it leads to an accident, the fine can increase substantially, and you could also be liable for damages if your vehicle causes a collision by unexpectedly stopping in a live lane. Now, let's move to something that many drivers don't think about until it's too late, and that's a torch or portable light source. If you break down at night, especially in an area without street lighting, being able to see under your bonnet, check your tires, or simply be visible to other drivers while you wait for help can make an enormous difference. Combined with your warning triangle and high-vis vest, a torch completes your emergency visibility kit, helping you avoid becoming an invisible hazard on a dark road. Let's also cover something particularly relevant to specific driving conditions, and that's a de-icer and ice scraper, especially important during the colder months. Driving with a windscreen that isn't properly cleared of frost or condensation is illegal in the UK. If you're caught driving with an obstructed windscreen, even from something as simple as ice you didn't clear properly, you can be fined up to £100 and receive 3 penalty points for driving without proper visibility. Keeping de-icer and a scraper in your car throughout autumn and winter means you're never tempted to rush off with a half-cleared windscreen just to save a few minutes. Now, here's the one that catches out more drivers than almost anything else on this list, and it's your breakdown cover documentation or membership card. While not having breakdown cover isn't illegal, driving without any plan for what happens if your car fails can lead to far more serious consequences down the line. If your car breaks down on a motorway hard shoulder, or worse, in a live lane due to a smart motorway configuration, and you don't have immediate access to recovery assistance, you may be forced to wait in a dangerous position for much longer than necessary. This increases the risk of being fined for obstructing traffic, and in tragic cases has led to fatal accidents because vehicles remain stationary in live lanes for extended periods. Keeping your breakdown cover details easily accessible, whether physically in the car or saved on your phone, ensures you can get help dispatched as quickly as possible. When we bring all of these together, warning triangle, first aid kit, high-vis vest, spare bulbs, tyre tread gauge, insurance documents, phone charger, screen wash, fire extinguisher where required, sufficient fuel, torch, de-icer, and breakdown cover details, what you're really building is a complete safety and compliance kit that protects you from fines, protects other road users, and most importantly, protects you and your passengers in an emergency. The frustrating truth is that most of these fines are entirely avoidable. They're not about dangerous driving, they're about small oversights that police are increasingly cracking down on, especially with the rise of automatic number plate recognition systems and increased roadside checks across the UK. A single missing item might only cost you £100, but combine a few oversights together during one stop, and you could be looking at penalty points that push you toward a driving ban, along with fines that add up to hundreds or even thousands of pounds, depending on the severity of the situation. The best approach is simple. Take 15 minutes this week to go through your car, check what you have, and replace or add whatever's missing. Most of these items together cost less than £50 total, yet they protect you from fines that can run into the thousands, and more importantly, they could genuinely save a life in an emergency situation. Road safety isn't just about how you drive, it's about how prepared you are for the moments when things don't go according to plan. If you found this helpful, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, because we're covering UK driving laws, fines, and everything you need to know to stay safe and compliant on the road every single week. Make sure to subscribe to UK Fines Alerts so you never miss an update that could save you money and keep you protected out there on the road.